Do you dream of working from home? Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Have you ever felt like you've never been taught to manage your money well? Well, this Kickstarter is for you. Hi, my name is John Burra and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 17. I've since then grown my business to 7 figures of revenue. I've learned a lot of things along the way. I've been coding since 1997 and teaching since 2002. Mammoth Interactive has been in business since 2011. I've always wanted to put together a course that shows people how to start a business from scratch and budget like a pro. Today, we're on Kickstarter to make that happen. This course contains the secrets that you've always wanted to know about starting a home business or side hustle. Over the years, I've done a lot of things right and made a lot of mistakes. I don't want anyone to make the same mistakes I have. That's why I put together the most efficient entrepreneurship course ever created. Have you ever thought about getting a side hustle? Statistics prove that if you don't have a side hustle, you're going to struggle. This Kickstarter is going to show you how to retire by setting up a simple side hustle or starting your own business. Normally, our Kickstarters last for 20 to 30 days, but this Kickstarter is different. This Kickstarter is going to last for 11 days, so pledge right now. When you pledge for this Kickstarter, you get lifetime access to a bundle of courses, no subscriptions. After this Kickstarter ends, the price will increase, so you can start saving by pledging today. If you want lifetime access to some of our most famous comprehensive coding bundles, you can take a look at the rewards down below. We also have a special offer today where you can get lifetime access to all of our online courses for just $999. Check out these reviews. This is your time to shine, so pledge today. Thank you for listening. This Kickstarter doesn't cost money, it makes money. You only have a limited time to pledge, so pledge right now.